If you are facing the same problem as I facing while installing my DaVinci Resolve 20, but I couldn't run it because of this message. To resolve this, let's go to click on the Windows button, right here settings, click on settings. Now in the settings, go to systems, click on systems, and the system right here in the search bar write graphics settings. Here it is. Click on graphics settings. Wait for. Now in the graphics settings, click on this browse button. Now go to mostly people have installed DaVinci Resolve and in other video editors mostly in the C drive. So click on the C drive, go to program files, click on the Blackmagic design folder and wait for the folders to click on it, DaVinci Resolve. Now search for the Resolve logo. Now click on the add button, go to options and click on the high performance and click on save. Now go to DaVinci Resolve and open it. And after doing this, if your problem is not being solved, then click on the Windows button, right click on the Windows button and go to device manager. In the device manager, click on the display adapters, click on the NVIDIA GeForce 210. I have this card installed in my PC. You must have some different card. Click on this and update the driver and search automatically for. Click on this and the best driver, and if you see this information, the best driver for your device already been installed and the problem still persists, then go to click on your browser and go to official website of NVIDIA drivers, open it and whatever graphics card you have installed, just try to search in it and download the latest driver of your graphics card. If it's still not working on this, then go to your Windows button, click on add or remove programs and click on DaVinci, search for DaVinci Resolve and go for uninstall. If you uninstall it, then again go to the official website of DaVinci Resolve and download the latest one. Open the official website and download the latest one. But if this latest is not working, then go to the bottom of this website and click on the support center. Now you can see DaVinci Resolve Fusion software. Click on this. You can see you have a DaVinci Resolve 20.3 and some older formats which must be working on your system, as you have an old version of your graphics card. So hopefully this video will help you. Please like and subscribe for more videos.